Hello and welcome back to a special edition of our Admiral release video, where we will cover the changes to the package for the 1.0.0 release. For this release, the team has focused on 3 cardinal points. Firstly, we have gone to great lengths to improve the user experience by ensuring consistent design language across the package. Secondly, we have upgraded our set of resources for new users to ensure a seamless learning journey. Finally, we have continued fixing bugs and adding targeted new functionality to improve the quality of the package and its coverage of ADAM standards. The end goal of our efforts was to release a mature version of Admiral that can be adopted by users at the start of a study and can support ADAM needs throughout all of the study lifecycle. To start, if you are a new user, welcome to the Admiral family. There is no better time to get started programming ADAM in R. Be sure to check out the website for information on how to get started with the package. On the front page of the website, you will find a link to our brand new Admiral cheat sheet, which will be at your side as you start exploring the portfolio of tools that Admiral puts at your fingertips. Note that each function on the cheat sheet is hyperlinked, so if you want to learn more about it, click on it to travel to the relevant documentation page. Back on the website, our Get Started page will now offer gateways to a simple ADSL program walkthrough, the aforementioned cheat sheet, and our new Admiral Discovery portal. This is a new, interactive web page where users can search for ADAM variables of interest, or even just keywords, and be directed to website pages that are most relevant to that search term. This complements the functionality of the search bar on our main website. Moving over to the Reference tab, here you will find all our functions and documentation on how to use each function. Over in our User Guides tab, you can find inspiration on how to use Admiral functions to create particular datasets, as well as useful vignettes on specific topics. In this version of Admiral, some of the key changes include: 1. The addition of 3 new generic functions. Firstly, derive var's extreme event, which works similarly to derive extreme event but adds variables instead of a parameter. Similarly, derive vars computed is now available, which works like the much-loved derive param computed, but adds a new computed variable rather than a new parameter. Finally, derive var merged efmsrc, which adds a flag indicating if one of the conditions in one of multiple source datasets is fulfilled. 2. Many existing functions such as derive extreme records, derive var extreme flag, and the various joined functions received small updates either to standardize or to improve functionality. As one example, the team has ensured that identically named arguments across functions, such as the by vars argument, also perform identical duties wherever they appear. 3. Admiral now supports our versions 4.0.0 and above. 4. The generic functions vignette has been rewritten. Now it provides a more complete overview of the generic derivations, describes the common concepts, and guides the user through selecting the appropriate generic function to implement their ADAM derivations. If you have been using a previous version of Admiral, be sure to check out the Changelog tab to find information on what has changed since the previous version. Be sure to check out this section and make updates to your programs as necessary. It is equally important to pay attention to the Breaking Changes section, as there are functions or arguments that were deprecated. As we inaugurate this 1.0.0 release of Admiral, we couldn't be more excited about the future of this package. As we pivot towards a post-1.0.0 landscape in 2024, we remain committed to maintaining the package over time, while simultaneously responding to user feedback to continually improve our offering. If you would like to contribute to this effort, please go on to the website and go over to the contributing guide to find information about how you can contribute to this initiative. Thank you for joining us on this release. Happy programming, happy holidays, and see you at the next one.